So since we are doing incarnations forgiveness, our intention is not just to heal this one lifetime, but is to heal the lifetime of a soul. And as we had shared earlier, the lifetime, this one physical lifetime, this one incarnation, it's as good as one day in the life of a soul, in the journey of a soul. So when we are trying to do incarnations healing, we are not trying to heal just this 15, 20, 30, 35, 40, 50, 80, 100 years of life. No, we are trying to heal the journey of the soul, which is, we have no clue how big or how small it is, how deep it has been, and how deep it's going to be. But our intention is to have so much purification in this incarnation that our next incarnations can be much, 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 much better. And so that we can all grow as a soul, definitely achieve greater heights as a soul. इस जन्म में कोई टाटा बिरला है, कोई बहुत फाइनेंशियली रिच है, कोई बहुत सक्सेसफुल है, कोई बहुत हेल्दी है, whatever it is just a matter of a day for the soul, right? So all our days should be good, our future incarnations should be good. That is the purpose of this incarnations forgiveness, of this healing, incarnations healing. So, keeping that in mind, let's begin our session today. Today, we will be doing ultimate forgiveness with God and nature. Now, whether we are a crystal, whether we are a mineral right below the earth, whether we are a plant, whether we are under the ocean, whether we are in the jungle, whether wherever we are, now whether we are an animal in the jungles, in the forest, in the desert, maybe we are a small little ant or the amoeba, the smallest thing that you can think of. No matter what we we were definitely from God and in nature. So even today, now, no matter where we are, what we do, how we are all connected to God. We are all children of God. We are all coming from God. So that's the reason why the soul is said to be descending from God. We are all one single drop from God comes down as our soul. So it is very, very important that our relationship with God and with nature must be healed. Now, the first question can be that we already believe in God, we love God, we pray to God. So, why do we need a relationship healing with God or with nature? Why do we need a relationship healing with nature? The understanding goes something like this: that usually, when we are upset, when we are angry, when we are hurt, our tendency is to blame or is to curse or is to complain to the person who is closest to us. अगर आप गौर करेंगे तो आप देखेंगे कि जब हमें दर्द होता है, तकलीफ होती है, हमें गुस्सा आता है, हमें चीखना है, चिल्लाना है, हमें दोष देना है, हम सबसे ज़्यादा है ये सब उसी के साथ करते हैं जो हमसे सबसे ज़्यादा करीब है, क्लोज है. And apparently, the closest to the soul is God. The 90% time when we are upset, we blame God for whatever they have done to us. Like we say, आप ऐसा कैसे कर सकते हो हमारे साथ? Sometimes we say, भगवान तो है ही नहीं. God does not exist. Had God been there, such bad things couldn't have happened with me. I have never harmed anyone. Why am I being harmed this way? Or you are so unfair, you're taking care of all other people, you're not taking care of me. We say so many things to God. Sometimes I've even seen people cursing God. Okay, you are God, you don't have physical body. Had you had physical body, you would have realized कितना pain होता है, कितना दर्द होता है, etc. etc. People actually curse God. So if we human beings, being so developed, so mature, evolved souls, if we can do these mistakes, if we can curse God, if we can hurt God, if we can blame God, then think about those times when we were in the animal incarnation. We were like not so evolved, not so developed. We were part of a group soul. We were not even an individual soul. Don't you think when we went through hurt and pain, being animals, we would have done the same thing then? We would have cursed God for everything that happened to us. Now, very simple examples. Now, I don't remember what happened in my animal incarnation, but let's just take blank examples. We like it's like a herd of what do you say? Like, it's a deer, many deer together, and suddenly a whole bunch of hunters they come into a jungle and they shoot down some deer. What happens to the other? Like there's a mother deer or a father deer in front of whom the baby deer is killed by the hunters. Now, what happens to the hunters is a different story, but the soul, the mother deer, the father deer, the first thing that they would say is, how did God let this happen? Why did God let this happen? My child, my little dear baby, it's dead, it's hunted down. What? What wrong did I do? Why did he do this to me? And naturally, a tremendous amount of pain comes out from the physical heart, from the energy, and that is directed towards God. Sometimes, if there's a lightning, there's a thunder, and there's an earthquake, and the entire forest is destroyed, the entire area, the place is destroyed, so many animals die. That time we have a grievance against nature because nature is a part of God. Nature comes from God. We consider them to be connected, right? So it is not very often. It is also not on the level, on the visible level, but it is deep within you. It is deep, deep within our system that we most tendencies are to curse God, to blame His decisions for anything that is happening in our life. It is very, very common. We do this very often, but apparently we are not aware of it. When we go through tremendous pain, that is the time when these energies come up to the surface. They are visible. होता ये सबके अंदर है. हम सभी कभी ना कभी भगवान को कर्ज किए हुए रहे हैं. भगवान को ये बोलते हैं कि आप तो देखते ही नहीं हो हमें, आप हो ही नहीं. इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस आप एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करते हो. बिकॉज अगर आप होते आप इतना बुरा नहीं करते. If we are failing in an examination, God and all is not there. How can they do this to me? We lose faith on God, and we actually, human beings, go ahead and commit suicide because they don't have faith on God. If a soul is committing suicide, it's trying to end the physical body. That's because that person doesn't have faith on God anymore. These things happen. And these things happened when we were taking our animal incarnations also. सो अगर कहीं ना कहीं हमारे एनर्जी बॉडी के अंदर अगर ये एनर्जीज आ चुकी हैं, any negative energy against God, then those are there in the roots of the chakra. बहुत deep चक्रा के roots में ये energies घुस जाते हैं, छुप जाते हैं, फंस जाते हैं, and they cannot come out. Maybe in one of the incarnations we said something like this: I will never ever believe in you again. बहुत hurt, बहुत pain के अंदर अगर हम लोग होते हैं, we can see even these lines to God. And I have practically heard people saying these. Human beings, the developed souls, I have heard them saying this. मैं कभी आपके पास नहीं आऊंगा वापस से, मैं कभी आपको प्रे नहीं करूंगा, मैं कभी आपको नहीं बुलाऊंगा. I will not pray to you, do your puja anymore. I have heard souls saying this. Now, what if these energies are there from our animal incarnations? What if these energies are there within our chakras from thousands and thousands of incarnations before? इनके साथ रहते वक्त अगर if we keep these energies within our system right now in our throat, in our crown, if you just imagine so much of energy, such energy is there in your crown chakra, do you think you can easily become a spiritual person? Do you think it will be easy for you to meditate? Do you think it will be easy for you to have inner experiences? If your crown is blocked by curses given to God, this is very very important to understand first. शायद आपने इस जन्म में ऐसा नहीं किया. Like practically, if I think of my life, maybe I have never done such a thing in my this lifetime. But still, if I scan, I find these energies. So definitely these energies have come to me from some other lifetime in which I have made this mistake. I am not aware of it in this lifetime, but it is there in the chakra, so definitely I have done some mistake in some incarnation. So in this incarnation, it is the objective that when we are aware of energy, when we know we can heal it, when we have the tools and techniques, let us do it. Let us do it and remove these energies from our system. Any negative energy against God, against nature, no matter from which incarnation. Especially our focus will be animal incarnations. Okay? So on that note, let us begin the session. We will do one deep forgiveness and then we will move on to the twin heart meditation with the intention that the divine energy that will come down during twin heart is going to heal our chakras of these blockages so that we can have a much better opened up crown chakra. We can have better inner experiences. We can have better growth in spirituality. Who? We the soul, not the physical body. The soul shall grow, shall evolve. Okay? So, on that note, let us begin. I request each one of you to please close your eyes, relax yourself, slowly inhale and slowly exhale. As you inhale and exhale, just feel your body becoming lighter. Inhale fresh pranic energy and exhale all old used up energies within your system. Slowly bring your awareness outside this physical body, outside the structure of the physical body. Imagine yourself to be turning into a brilliant, beautiful white light. This beautiful, brilliant white light is the soul. Verbally affirm to yourself, I am soul. I am not this physical body. I, the soul, I have taken thousands of incarnations before this. I had thousands and thousands of experiences before this. But from where am I coming? Where are my roots? Who has given me this light? It is God. It is God from whom I have evolved. It is God from whom I have got this light. The light which is on since incarnations. Every incarnation I had a new father, a new mother. But they were only there for that one incarnation. But my divine father, my divine mother, the pain. How can I be happy if I have any negativity against my divine mother, divine father? How can I grow, evolve, if I hate my own mother and father? I have come from them. I belong to them, and same way they belong to me. So today I, the soul, I choose to accept this fact that I am the soul. I am an essence of God. I have come from God. I am one with God. I love God. I am not afraid of Him. I love Him because He is the one who has given me these incarnations. These incarnations are not given to punish me. These incarnations are given so that I can grow, evolve, become more perfect. So I love you, God. I don't fear you. I love you. Imagine the most beautiful light you have ever seen in your lifetime in front of you. Imagine beautiful, brilliant, brilliant white light. This white light is so pure that just by looking at it, our soul is getting pure. This white light is God. This white light is Divine Mother, Divine Father. This white light is just like that parent who allows their children to go to the school but waits just outside the school for the child to come back. बिल्कुल जिस तरह से हमारे पेरेंट्स हमें स्कूल ले जाते थे, स्कूल के गेट पे छोड़ देते थे हमारा हाथ, बोलते थे जाओ अंदर जाओ, सीखो पढ़ो कुछ बनो, पर वो गेट के बाहर ही खड़े रहते थे, वेट करते थे हम सबका, और बाहर निकलते ही पहला सवाल रहता था, हाउ वाज योर डे, व्हाट डिड यू लर्न टुडे। बिल्कुल वैसे ही है गॉड। वो हमें अर्थ स्कूल में भेजते हैं सीखने के लिए, पढ़ने के लिए, लर्न करने के लिए, ग्रो करने के लिए, और जब हमारा लाइफ टाइम ओवर हो जाता है हम वापस उनके पास ही चले जाते हैं, और वो सबसे पहला पूछते हैं सवाल, कैसा रहा तुम्हारा दिन, यानी वो एक incarnation, and he is ready to accept us no matter what. स्कूल में भले हम लड़ाई करें, झगड़ा करें, पास करें, फेल करें, वापस तो मम्मी पापा के पास ही जाते थे ना। बिल्कुल वैसे इस अर्थ स्कूल में हमारा लाइफ टाइम जैसा भी रहा हो, गॉड एक्सेप्ट्स अस विद इक्वल लव। सो फर्स्ट टुडे लुक इनसाइड योरसेल्फ, अपने अंदर देखिए, एंड फील कीजिए प्रेजेंस ऑफ गॉड को, that presence who never leaves us alone, never, not for a single second. हम उनसे गुस्सा हो, हम उनको ब्लेम करें, उनको कर्स करें, no matter what we do, God never leaves us. It is we the children who need to be aware of His presence, especially when our times are tough, especially when we are going through the toughest days, the toughest exams. If we are aware of His presence, believe me, the exam will pass very, very easily. Today, let us do this forgiveness with God so that if there is any blockage within us, that is preventing us from becoming 100% receptive towards Him, that is preventing us from being aware of His presence, that is preventing us from meditating, from growing spiritually, that is preventing us from having inner experiences. May all these blockages be removed today with the love, mercy, compassion of God. Put your hands on your heart. Imagine that beautiful light in front of you. This light is God, and you have come from God, from the soul, from the energy God. So gently and lovingly say, Atma Namaste, Atma Namaste, Atma Namaste. Look beyond the form. हम कभी किसी एक भगवान को मानते हैं, ब्रह्मा, विष्णु, शिवा, गणेश, माता का। उस फिजिकल फॉर्म के बियॉन्ड जाके उस सोल को देखिए, उस एनर्जी को देखिए जो गॉड है। एंड अगेन से आत्मा नमस्ते। I the soul, I am a child of you. I belong to you and you belong to me. We are one. We are one. We are one. I forgive you for all the hurt and pain which I feel I have got from you. Not only from this incarnation, but from every single incarnation, especially the animal incarnations. I am sure there must have been many, many times when I blamed you, I cursed you, and I thought you are the reason why I am in pain, why I am suffering. But I forgive you today. I forgive you. I forgive you. Because now I have realized you do not do anything to punish me. You just let me grow, learn my lessons, evolve. You are not there to punish me. You are not there to make my life difficult. You are not there to harm me, torture me. हमें जब दर्द होती है तो हमारे माता पिता को उतना ही दर्द होता है। तो जब हम भगवान के संतान हैं, जब हमें दर्द होता है तो भगवान को कितना दर्द होता होगा। He is not there to punish us. He is love. God is all loving, all merciful. वो चाहते हैं हम ग्रो करें, इवॉल्व करें, इसलिए हमें चैलेंजेस देते हैं, टेस्ट देते हैं। So I forgive you, I forgive you, I forgive you. I forgive you for this incarnation, for all the incarnations. I let go any negative energy that I have against God, any disbelief, any lack of faith, lack of trust. I let go, I let go, I let go. From my whole system, from every incarnation, I let go, I let go, I let go. I believe in you, I forgive you. May your divine love, mercy, compassion heal this relationship between you and me and bless me with complete trust, complete faith, 100% receptivity and sharanagati. Thank you for blessing me. Please forgive me for my mistakes. Please forgive me for all the hurt and pain that I have given to you. Please forgive me for each and every time I cursed you, I blamed you. Please forgive me for each and every time I did things that was against your teachings. Please forgive me for each and every time I did things that hurt you like a father or mother. Please forgive me. I am truly, deeply, sincerely sorry for my mistakes of this incarnation, of every single incarnation. I, the soul, ask for forgiveness. Please forgive me, Father. Please forgive me, Mother. I have realized my mistakes and I have learned from my lessons. May the divine love, divine power, divine, miraculous, soothing, healing energies heal me completely. Heal my relationship with you. Heal my past, my present, and my future. Heal every single chakra of my energy system. Heal the blockages that prevents me from becoming one with you. Heals all energies of disbelief, mistrust, lack of hope, lack of faith, lack of trust in you. Thank you for healing me. Thank you for blessing me with love, mercy, compassion, and forgiveness. May all my negative karmas generated by cursing God, by blaming God, by disbelieving in God be neutralized. I, the soul, I am your child and I have made mistakes. Please forgive me for my mistakes. I know you are all loving and you have already forgiven me. Thank you, thank you, thank you for this. Thank you for this. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om. May any and all unauthorized, unwanted, negative thoughts attached to us that is preventing us from believing in God, that is preventing us from having complete Sharanagati towards God, be cut, cut, cut. Be aware of your crown chakra. May all negative thoughts from the crown chakra be cut, cut, cut. Now let us bless and also take blessings from God. Put your hands in the blessing position. The God is all loving, all merciful. He has already forgiven us. He is already blessing us. But let us just for once consider Him to be like our Father, our Mother. And just the way we would bless our Mother and Father, let us bless God also. I know you don't need these blessings. But today I, the child of God, I want to bless my parents, my ultimate mother, my ultimate father. With your blessings only, let this energy be showered on my divine mother, my divine father. Be showered on every single spiritual soul who has been a medium for us to reach to God. All our spiritual teachers, all our spiritual gurus, all our gurus who have taught us the lessons of God, every single form of God, every single hierarchy, every single higher soul, holy masters, holy gurus, every single soul, they are all stepping down the energy towards us. The universal supreme Parabrahma, his energy is coming towards us through many, many souls, stepping down one by one. May every single transformer be blessed. May every single stage be blessed. May every single soul who is stepping down these energies towards us be blessed. May every messenger of God be blessed. May Lord Christ be blessed. May Lord Krishna be blessed. May everyone be blessed. These energies are coming down towards us. We are just receiving these energies.
as we bless God, many times this energy is coming back to us. If you are aware of your body, if you are aware of your crown, you will feel a soothing energy of love coming towards yourself. Be aware of your whole energy system. And now let's receive this energy. Be in an open position, open, receptive. Thank you, God. Thank you for blessing each one of us, your children, with your love, mercy, compassion, and forgiveness to heal our incarnations, heal our animal incarnations. I, the soul, I am super receptive to your energies. Thank you for healing each and every of my incarnations. I, the soul, I belong to you. All my incarnations belong to you. Thank you for healing me completely. Thank you for healing me completely. I'm super receptive. Inhale and exhale. Take a few seconds of this moment. Feel the energy pouring down into you. Soothing, healing energy. Very cool sensation. Absorb these blessings, absorb these energies into every single cell of your body. Feel the healing. Let your crown chakra open up and accept the blessings completely. Together, we shall all invoke that the divine energy of the twin heart meditation is going to heal every single chakra of our system. Bless us, heal us with love and mercy of God, so that each one of us can have a greater connection with God, so that each one of us can be aware of His presence, so that each one of us can have more Sharanagati, more receptivity within our system, and also so that our lives are guided, helped, protected by His divine will. We are all super receptive. Thank you for this meditation. In full faith, so be it.